High net worth individuals are pulling back on luxury goods. 44% bought zero watches in 2025. Here's where billionaires are spending instead, and what this means for how wealth gets displayed in 2026. Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. Mad Research just dropped numbers that should terrify luxury brands. 20% of affluent and high net worth individuals plan to spend less on designer fashion over the next 12 months. But watches? That category is collapsing. 44% made zero watch purchases in Q3. 5 years ago, only 15% skipped designer fashion. Now it's 25%. For leather goods, non-buyers jumped from 23% to 31%. Something fundamental shifted. The shift from consumer goods to experiential luxury is confirmed according to MAD co-founder Gene Rivas. Intent to purchase only improved for one category over the past year: travel. The wealthy are cutting Gucci bags to book private wellness retreats. They're skipping Rolex purchases to fund transformative trips. Material possessions no longer signal status. Time and rare experiences do. Here's what's driving this pullback. Wealthy consumers are nervous. The financial system feels unstable. Stock market volatility in 2025 spooked even billionaires. When you're uncertain about the economy, you don't drop $50,000 on a handbag. You hold cash. You invest in experiences that can't get repriced. You prioritize what actually improves your life over what impresses strangers. Veronique Lubanzes from MAD says the data signals a structural slowdown in luxury discretionary spending worldwide marked by declining purchase frequency, rising non-buyers, and erosion of category penetration, especially in leather goods. This isn't a temporary dip. It's a fundamental change in how wealthy people think about luxury. But not all categories are dying. Cosmetics, fragrance, and jewelry remain resilient, though male buyers over 40 are retreating even from those. The younger affluent segment 18 to 39 still buys designer fashion, but the older wealthy demographic that used to be luxury's core, they're out. Fashion houses should capitalize on a healthy appetite among young buyers and question how to entice others back, Lubanzes says. North America remains the strongest region, highest multiple purchases, lowest non-purchase rates. But even in the U.S., luxury spending declined for 10 straight quarters, according to Bank of America data. When Americans do splurge on luxury, 13% of it happens abroad. They're combining travel with shopping, turning purchases into experiences. So where's the money actually going? 88% of HNWIs plan international travel in the next 12 months. While luxury consumption will be stable or decline across most categories, luxury travel will grow 15% on average. Indian HNWIs are leading this surge. Over-tourism pushed affluent travelers toward exclusivity and privacy. Popular destinations like Venice and Bali now compete with secluded escapes, offering unique transformative experiences. Luxury travel sectors are redefining the experience. Airlines introduce private suites. Hotels offer bespoke stays with private butlers and wellness-focused amenities. Cruises transform into boutique, resort-like experiences with smaller ships catering to privacy. Experiential travel focuses on private island takeovers or rare cultural access. Personalization, innovation, and privacy across all travel touchpoints create unforgettable experiences. Wellness has evolved beyond physical health to encompass mental well-being and holistic experiences. Affluent consumers prioritize preventive wellness, driving demand for retreats that integrate mindfulness technology and medical-grade therapies. The rise of bio-luxury combines wearables and AI-driven diagnostics with indulgent experiences. HNWIs want to balance wellness with indulgence, plant-based diets and sugar-free options during retreats, while still enjoying fine wine or curated cocktails. Here's the psychology shift. Material goods depreciate the moment you buy them. A $50,000 watch loses value walking out of the store, but a transformative wellness retreat, a private cultural immersion experience, those compound in your memory. They change who you are. The wealthy figured out experiences appreciate, while things depreciate. This is what money solves now. Not needing validation, from logo bags. When you're actually wealthy, you don't need strangers to know. You need privacy. You need time. You need experiences that genuinely improve your life. The aspirational luxury consumer buys logo-covered bags and posts online. The ultra-luxury consumer buys privacy, and you'll never see it on social media. The luxury market is bifurcating. Ultra-luxury for the truly wealthy focus on privacy and experiences. Aspirational luxury for people trying to look wealthy focus on logos and showing off. Brands like Hermes serving actual wealthy people are fine. Mass luxury brands relying on aspirational buyers are struggling. So what does this mean for you? If you're chasing wealth, stop wasting money on designer logos to impress people. Every dollar spent on a luxury bag is a dollar not invested in assets or experiences that actually matter. The truly wealthy understand time as the ultimate luxury. Not things, not status. Time to do what you want when you want with who you want. If this video changed how you think about luxury, and subscribe to this channel. We're tracking exactly what the ultra-wealthy do with their money in 2026. Comment and tell me, are you spending more on experiences or things this year? Let's figure this out together. See you in the next one.